What is up, my pottery people? This is Torres here, and in this video, you're going to learn how to make my favorite type of bowl, the ramen bowl. The ramen bowl offers both the best worlds. It can be shallow, but it can also be pretty deep at the same time and hold lots of noodles or anything that you put in it. So now, in this video, I'm going to give you 7 steps that you should be taking in order to make a ramen bowl come out how you want it and make it look good. The first step that you want to be taking is you have to center it pretty much the same way that you would center a mug, a vase, or anything else that you make. So you're going to center it the exact same. Now, the second step that you want to take is when you're opening it, you don't want a flat bottom. You want a V-shape bottom. This will help you get the bowl shape better, and it makes everything look nice and smooth. So now the third step is the pooling. The first pool is just a normal pool, but every pool after that, you're slowly widening out the rim every time you are pooling, so that you get the right size that you want and you get both the deepness and the shallowness at the same time. The fourth step is, so after you have got the size that you really want, you want to focus in on the rest of the body of the bowl. You want to round it a little bit so that it makes it look nice and smooth and everything blends together. So now the fifth step is, so now that you have the shape that you want for your bowl and you have pulled it to the right height that you wanted it, the next step they have to do is you have to flare out the rim a little bit. This makes the bowl look so much cleaner and it makes everything look a lot nicer. So you have to flare out your bowl just a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, but it can be a whole lot if you want it. That's just depending how you make it. I like to make mine just a tiny bit flared out, and I think that looks perfect. The sixth step that you need to be taking is you need to make a foot ring once you're able to. The foot ring just goes so well with the ramen bowl. It makes everything look so much cleaner and nicer, and you just see how beautiful it looks when you make a foot ring. And not only that, it helps you really stabilize your ramen bowl, and it makes everything nice and smooth at the bottom so it's not wobbling. And you blend everything together so one part of the bowl doesn't look awkward. So now, the seventh step that you need to be taking is you need to mark your territory like a dog. Or you need to sign your bowl. You need to sign it, you need to let everybody know who made it. So sign your signature at the bottom and show everybody who made your bowl.